Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change your store region on the Xbox app. To begin, open the Xbox app on your device. Find and click on your profile icon, which is usually located in the top left or right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to access your account options. This is your first step towards customizing your region settings. Within the Settings menu, navigate to the Account or Profile section. You should then see an option labeled Xbox Profile or Change Region. Click on this to open your current location details. Carefully choose your desired country or region from the provided list. Confirm your selection to initiate the process, ensuring all changes are saved. To finalize your region change, you will often need to enter a valid physical address for the new region. This step is essential for compliance with regional content licensing. Additionally, update any payment methods to correspond with the chosen country's currency and banking system. Accuracy in these details prevents potential issues with purchases or subscriptions moving forward. Once your address and payment details are updated, completely restart your Xbox app. This action ensures all the new settings are fully applied and recognized by the system. Open the app again and browse the store to confirm that your region has successfully updated. You can now explore region-specific games, deals, and content in your newly selected country. Enjoy your expanded access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.